So I'm testing out this new camera. I used it for like a 20-second movie last night, and in the viewfinder it looks really good. But then when I played it back, it was all grainy looking. So here's another try. This is my cat. Some of the cat's eating. Lily. Okay, so I'll show you the box. So this is the box it comes in. On the front you can't tell, it's all cheap plastic. It looks like really nice, but the camera's really, really light. And if somebody found this outside, they would think it was a kid's toy. So there we go. And it's supposed to be HD high quality. So we'll see how this video comes out. So this model is the Sony HDR-CX405 Handycam. And then my other camera didn't come with it came with a disc with barely any instruction. This one at least came with a book with more instruction on it, but it doesn't tell you what to do if it's grainy looking. But there you go. Okay, well, I think that's about it for this camera. If it comes out grainy again, I wouldn't recommend it. I should have went back and read the reviews, because other people said also that it comes out grainy looking. So that's about it on this one. Bye.